Yeah.
If you have a strong L sit, go from front lever to this.
So it's basically just doing an inverted front lever.
Yeah. Because L sits, you're already doing a front lever since your back isn't flat. That's why I tell niggas get your L sits flat. Just get that L and then use your lats. Yeah. See? Clean and your back flat. And you can feel your shit stretching. I can see your shit.
Yeah.
It's killer, but it's gonna get you strong as a bitch. That's why niggas' backs be looking crazy. Clean.
Oh yeah.
And then when you get comfy, get ready for the advanced tuck and drop the knees in and do that same technique.
So the knees come in a little bit harder.
And then the pulls, the shit we was doing the other day, pulling to the waistline.
Yeah.
Like rowing, like put our feet on the bar and then pull to the waist and just practice that. Because you're getting stronger.
I need something harder, man. I could do them all day.
Yeah.
I need something.
That's always gonna build volume.
Yeah.
You're always gonna get it.
Shoot. Because if we're doing
Push
them
ups
back
all
and forth.
day. You gotta make sure we're rowing too.
Yeah, cause I'm not doing a lot of pull-ups. That's not rolling.
Yeah,
that's just like just for the whiff. But if I want that thickness, like we were talking about,
that demon face in your back. That's why my shit be looking like that. Rowing.
Hey, you be getting them iconic shots. I said, this man always flexing, man. He don't care. Shoot, it took you a long time to get it. Why not flex it?
There you go. See? Look at that clean. There's so much hinge. You gotta, yeah. These.
Gosh. Oh yeah. Right.
Fucks with.
Call it, seeing whose day I can make awkward sharks a whole nother conference.